Hello everybody, this is Patrick Butler, and of course I'm showing you how bad it is outside right now. It's December the 19th, 2008. Look at that. And many places are closed here. Can you believe that? It's unbelievable how bad it is. You can really see how bad it is right here, right now. It's around 1 o'clock, almost 1:30, and looks terribly bad. You can see it's like a white Christmas. You can believe that? I'm not sure if it's gonna snow on December the 25th or not. I'm not sure. Can you believe that? It's almost Christmas now, and look at that. It's really pounding out. I heard it's supposed to get bad on Sunday and Monday, I heard. But I'm not sure. I'll eventually find out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how bad that is. It's really coming down. Of course, I showed a couple other videos where it snowed. This is the really hugest snowfall of this so far this winter season. And I think it is winter now that I think of it. I think the first day of winter was yesterday, I think. I'm not sure. I'd have to check the calendar, find out. But eventually it is winter now, so I wasn't sure if it's winter or not. If it's today, guess what? It's the first day of winter. I'm not sure if it was yesterday or it is right now. Oh well. Look at that. That looks terrible. That is bad. It is really bad out here. And I don't know if I can come up here. Wow, it's really pounding. I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but I saw a car. There we go. It is really pounding. Look at that. Whew. Well, that's really cold. That is really bad out. It is really bad. There is some snow on the lens here, and I can see it. Fortunately, I'll be able to clean it up when I'm done with this video. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable outside. Can you believe that? I'm going to show it one more time before it gets any worse. Look how much feet of snow that is. Look at how bad that is. Look at that. Whoa. Really coming down. Whoa. Whoa. I'm really getting it. Wow. It's really coming down. Look at how bad is that. And I think it's going here now. I think. I'm not sure. Oh. I'm not sure if we can really see it. Look at that. It's bad out. It is horrible. Show around, people. It is terrible. Just to show you. Oh, and by the way, I checked the calendar, and the first day of winter is not until Sunday the 21st, so sorry about that. But it's technically winter already. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you very much for watching. And can you believe that? Well, first, before I go, I want to just show you. It's not even a foot. It's not even a foot of where I live. When I stepped, it didn't even feel like a foot of snow. So it hasn't really picked up yet. It must have just started around 12:30, maybe even 12 o'clock. really picked up. Oh well. Now it's really being plowed now, you can see. Look at that. There's the plow. It's cold right out here. That's the result of the snowstorm today. Just to let you know, it is 9 o'clock. Of course, whatever I showed you earlier was around 12:30, 1 o'clock, 1:30. It's supposed to, I thought it was supposed to end tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's supposed to continue on, but I don't think it's supposed to be as bad. But it snow all week, I think. Well, all weekend, I should say. The rest of the weekend. On into, I think, until Tuesday, I think. But I'm not sure. So that's it. I don't got my jacket on, so I'm going to end this video right here. You know, just show you a little bit more about the plowing. Oh. Well, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I can show you. That's the result of the snow that I got today. So I'm going to end this video right now. Hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.